And then you would have taken every.
Hey, Gary.
Oh, snap.
Yeah, I already played 3, so. Don't worry, there'll be more. Stay warm.
Yeah, smack. Yeah, I smack you with the bird.
Nice.
You know, normally I don't trust policemen because
What?
How come?
What's that?
Columbus understood that the earth was round like this.
Oh God.
Or
Like,
this.
sounds like he's shaking up like one of that spray can bottles.
I know.
Oh, there's another one where he
Contraire,
has just a
Columbus
can of
knew
pressurized
everything.
air.
Oh, yeah, I've
and
seen
he's
that.
trying to do it, and he's like, "What are you doing? I'm trying to get the graffiti off with air." It's not working. It's like the cops are like, "Yeah, it's not working."